can't wait, bring food for me. And you can't. I told you, yeah, you bring it for me. Are you not?
Now, news berekete bidis on top the beat. One female lawyer will be Evelyn Egbe, where they work for Nyoko Ngaji Champa for inside city of Tiko for Cameroon. According to the story, barrister Evelyn Egbe will be lawyer will be represent Mr. Njo Fansinju Gabriel for court as they can't lose the case for court. But instead of Mr. Gabriel to accept the judgment, he can go to barrister Evelyn Egbe office, come beat her well. One 50-year-old Nigerian girl wey don top this video dey smoke igbo for inside toilet as people don dey provoke dey parayam for social media about the video. Ekalokpa for Vietnam don seize 334,000 condoms wey dem don use. Dem wan come recycle am to sell am back to people for inside the warehouse wey dey for DS12 here north quarter for Tin Van Hip ward bin don prove visit for inside southern Vietnam. About 25 people don hospitalized and 22 people don wunjure well because of the flood wey happen for inside Bauchi state. And na Bauchi deputy governor wey be Baba tell her na he yarn this talk to take give the officials of National Emergency Management Agency wey be NEMA. Ekalokpa for Delta State don catch 3 suspected people wey say that they pinna the hospitalized children wey Igbo dey call child trafficking for inside Igbodo community as they rescue 2-month-old pikin wey be say they set to give the trafficker. And the Ekalokpa commissioner wey be Mr. Hafiz Mohammed Inua na he yarn this one. 11 people wey dey travel for burial don move their life for inside one wicked accident for Cross River State and 2 people don wunjure well and the accident happen for one white bias bus with the plate number of EDA 28SA around 10 a.m. on Thursday, September 24. United Kingdom they don't take legal action and consist $39.3 million from the London lawyer will be Badresh Gohi, where they assist the former governor of Delta State will be James Ibori for the money we be saying tiftalize. Troop of Operation Lafia Dole don't buy 7 commander and fighters of Boko Haram Omila boys them for inside different camps for Lake Chad under Kukawa local government area, Borno State. One taxi driver will be Emmanuel Kwaye and his girlfriend will be Georgina Lamsi Awuni Saye. Don't move for Cape Coast. According to the story, the taxi driver killing girlfriend they can't hang himself on top tree for Broibima MA Basic School on Tuesday, September 22. Ogun State Ekalokpa Command don't catch 7 armed robbers will be said that they wear army uniform along Benin Ore Lagos Expressway and their name na Ikechukwu Alore, Ifeanyi Emmanuel, Chibueze Kingsley, Obiora Michael, Elias John and Vincent Magnus. Anti-narcotic police for inside Itochi Main City on Thursday 24 September don catch 2 Nigerians and 1 Vietnam woman and their name na Ochiepo Ejike 51 years old with him wife wey the 2 dey do the business wey be Lemok Q and 1 Nigeria wey be Chukwuemeka Confidence Onyiroka say that they carry drugs. One 29-year-old prophetess will be Juliet Masakani wey get prayer deliverance and testimony ministry international church. They don't arrest am after one of the church members wey 2 of them they stay for the same house, they sleep for the same bed. Accuser says she dey suck her breast con dey finger at Pekus wey dey cause sexual molestation. Some South Africans they don't go protest for Nigerian embassy wey dey for inside South Africa. Con dey yarn say make all the immigrants them make they comot for inside their country, especially Nigerians them. Say because now they do human trafficking and all the barbar crimes wey dey happen for inside our country. And the people that will say they do the protest, their name na only one South Africa. Make a show na this ogbonge strange tribe wey they call Vadome. Vadome dey for North Zimbabwe wey they call ostrich people. Vadome or Dome wey they call them na only hunter gatherer tribe for inside Zimbabwe and they live for inside Kayamba region around basic of tribe of Zimbabwe River Valley and they speak Damenta and they get this kind leg wey they call extradentally or lobster claw syndrome. One 12-days-old pikin wey they call Elon Jesse Ellis wey their dog go bite as in dey bleed for mouth and belle on September 13, 2020. The mama come ambulance to carry am take go hospital. Now for hospital the boy come hospitalized. This gbege happen for inside South Yorkshire. Like una know well I say we get real beggars. Now like people wey say they're blind wey they sit down for road or they stand near road they beg and e go move you to help them. But these days begging don't turn to workshop or office where people they do for life, especially for inside Lagos. So make a show na the richest beggar wey dey for Ajegule wey name na Alhaji Omar Diko. Na him be the Sakin Maroka aka the king of beggar for inside Ajegule area, Lagos State. And they know him to be the one of the richest beggar for inside Obodo, Nigeria. He get 5 wives, 8 children and transportation company. He get water factory. and 5 houses for inside Kano State where he come from. Now through begging, Jiko take get all these things. Ekoloba for carrying this street Assam inside India don arrest 3 Nigerians wey enter inside their country without document from Bangladesh on Wednesday, September 23rd. Lagos State Emergency Management Agency wey be LASEMA don yarn say one truck wey carry gas explode on its own as many people don wunjure well and property and houses that wey worth about millions of naira don burn for Iju-Shaga for inside Lagos State on September 24th. This na Pidgin News Network with the Yarn Pidgin English, and I mean na here na bring una this news. Make una get better weekend.